Hello, and welcome back to Wise Relation. Today we will be discussing the power of positive motivation. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to get more videos just like this. In order to be successful, it is important to find the right motivation. For some people, this may mean focusing on the negative consequences of not succeeding. For others, it may mean focusing on the positive aspects of achieving a goal. Whichever route you choose, it is important to have some level of motivation in order to achieve success. One of the most powerful motivators is positive motivation. Focusing on the positive aspects of reaching a goal can help you stay motivated and focused as you work towards your goal. If you are able to see the benefits of your hard work, it can help you push through any challenges that come your way. Positive motivation can also help build confidence. As you achieve small goals along the way to your ultimate goal, you will start to feel more confident in your ability to succeed. Number 1. The concept of motivation. Motivation is a psychological construct that refers to the reasons why people do things. It is important because it influences people's behavior and their ability to achieve goals. There are different types of motivation, including intrinsic and extrinsic motivation. Intrinsic motivation comes from within, whereas extrinsic motivation comes from external factors. Both types of motivation are important, but intrinsic motivation is particularly beneficial because it leads to a sense of satisfaction and self-fulfillment. Extrinsic motivation can be more fleeting and may not lead to the same level of satisfaction. Number 2. The benefits of using positive motivation techniques. Positive motivation techniques are effective in helping people achieve their goals. People who use positive motivation techniques are more likely to be successful than those who do not. Positive motivation techniques include setting goals, visualizing success, and positive self-talk. Visualization is a powerful tool that can help you achieve your goals. When you visualize success, you create a roadmap in your mind of what you need to do to reach your goal. Visualization also helps you stay motivated and focused on your goal. Positive self-talk is another powerful tool that can help you achieve your goals. When you talk positively to yourself, you increase your self-confidence and motivation. Positive self-talk also helps keep you focused on your goal and prevents negative thoughts from interfering with your progress. Number 3. Get started with positive motivation. Positive motivation is a great way to get yourself moving and achieve your goals. However, it can be difficult to start using this method if you're not sure how. Here are some steps to help you get started. 1. Figure out what motivates you. This could be anything from a desire to feel happier or more fulfilled in life, to wanting to set an example for your children. 2. Make a list of your goals. Whether they are big or small, writing them down will help keep them in mind and give you something to work towards. 3. Come up with a plan of action for each goal. This could involve breaking the goal down into smaller steps that you can take on a weekly or monthly basis. 4. Find positive motivational resources online or in books, and start incorporating them into your daily routine. Number 4. How people have successfully used positive motivation. There are many different ways to motivate someone. Some people are motivated by fear, some by money, and others by a sense of accomplishment. However, there is one type of motivation that is always positive and always works: positive motivation. Positive motivation comes from a place of encouragement and support. It is about inspiring someone to do their best and be their best. It is about lifting someone up when they are down and helping them see the potential in themselves. Positive motivation is about giving someone a reason to succeed, not just a reason to avoid failure. Some examples of positive motivation include words of encouragement, praise for effort, setting achievable goals, providing support, and being a role model. All of these things can help inspire someone to be their best self and reach their goals. Positive motivation is powerful because it comes from within. Number 5. Final thoughts on the power of positive motivation. It is the ability to focus on the good in every situation and find a way to make things work out for the best. There are many different techniques that can be used to harness the power of positive motivation, and each person's approach will be unique. However, there are a few basic principles that are essential for using this approach effectively. First, it is important to stay positive and optimistic, even in difficult times. Second, it is necessary to take action and make things happen. Finally, it is helpful to have a support network of people who can help encourage and motivate you when needed. With these principles in mind, anyone can use the power of positive motivation to achieve their goals and create a better life for themselves. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and be sure to turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss any videos just like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.